Okay, now we're in the back part of the golf course where a big tree fell down. Actually, two of them. Okay, we'll go around to the other side here and see if we can get that one. Here's another view of it. Actually, two big ones back here that are down. I don't know how long it's going to take them to chop this stuff up. See if we can zoom in a little bit. Alrighty, now I'll go back to the front. Okay, it's a little different angle. So, I guess we'll stop here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the short tour of the tree that fell down. And we're testing this in 8K. See if this will all come out and see if my computer will handle all this. So we'll see what we got here. Don't want to spend too much time on this if it's not going to come out. But I hope you enjoyed the tour of the tree being down. And that'll be all for today. Today's a test video of the 8K. And let's see what we got.